on the way to Caltex Mamplasan. It's Verna South Meet. Yeah, we're on the way there. We're currently here sa SLEX Magallanes area pa lang. I'll see you guys pag nandun na tayo sa Caltex Mamplasan. So, see you later. So, we made it here sa Caltex Mamplasan. Ayun, may darating na Verna. Ito yung accent ni Sir Jag. Airsus, Underglows. Tapos ito si Baloney. Si Baloney accent, si Sir Joel. South accent, Vincent. Tapos staggered yung tires. These are 205 45s, 205 50s, 17s. Very cool. And syempre yung kay Sir Ivan, si Mr. Rich Potato feature.
Bro,
15s pala.
195.55.
Nangkang?
Nangkang NS2R.
Dito ko nakita na nangkang. NS2R. South accent, plug mo yung page.
Shoutout sa page ni Kiko.
Hindi, page mo.
Shoutout South Accent.
Slipstream 17s. Pagtabihin natin, yun yang. Tutuwa ako dito sa FMIC ni Kuya Ivan. Kikita mo yung hosing dito, hindi siya pantay. Unlike yung mga nakikita usually na double-sided FMIC, ito mas maikli yung travel ng hangin. Parang yung atin lang din. SVNs, white. Plug mo yung page mo.
Follow nyo, Baloney Snaps.
Baloney Snaps. Lagay ko yan dito, Baloney Snaps. Mr. KDM Culture PH. May balak tayo when ang next KDM meet?
Actually, by next month.
Next month, hopefully next month.
Cruise, hopefully.
KDM Cruise. Sana matuloy. Dito na si Matt. Sakto. Ay, hindi pala sakto. Hindi pala sakto. Drag din tunog eh, no?
Parating pala, alam mo na.
Diesel na diesel eh. O sabi sa'yo eh, di ba? Something about red cars, bro. So yun, shoutouts Verna Pilipinas. So kung gusto nyo maging Verna Pilipinas, if taga North kayo, contact Sir Chris if you wanna be a Verna Pilipinas member. Tapos si Sir Kiko kapag taga South kayo. Pero syempre pagandahin mo na yung accent.
Budget mo lang. Naka-sound system din sa akin na bili ko eh. Kaso...
Anong paboritong part mo sa pagiging accent owner?
Underrated.
Underrated. Pinaka-ayaw mong part sa pagiging accent owner?
Walang parts.
Wala. Totoo yan. Medyo kailangan mo maging creative pag sa accent kaya kailangan maging creative. Vince, anong favorite part mo sa pagiging accent owner?
Hindi, pagiging favorite part ko sa podcast yung budget ko lang meron na fuel efficiency.
Fuel efficiency, tama. Pinaka-ayaw na part?
Pinaka yung part sa Brand Wars.
Brand Wars! Ay, oo! Shoutouts KDM Culture PH. Very welcoming community. So if you own a Korean car, make sure to follow Sir Jag, KDM Culture PH on TikTok, Facebook, and Instagram. Full exhaust. Sir Jag,
Yo!
when did you acquire your Hyundai Accent?
Actually, to be honest with you, that's my wife's car. We got it 2013 and it's a 2012, so shortly after it was released, the wife ko. I got a hold of it, siguro 2017, 2018. Yung story kasi ito, I got into a minor accident. Tama kami ng jeep, side swipe. Yung rear quarter panel, tapos pabayaan ko, kinalawag na, then I got to repaint it, and then the rest is history.
Bakit Hyundai Accent ang platform natin for building sa local car scene sa Philippines?
Well, actually, since I figured na it's a pretty underrated platform, and then when I joined Verna Pilipinas, na-realize ko na, oh, okay, this car has a lot of potential. So, you know, nakita ko na pwede palang gawing malinis or pwede na gawing kakaiba. You know, because we all know Philippines is heavily saturated with JDM cars, and if you want to be something different, you know, it's okay to be different. Ito, you got this platform, and then, you know, I saw the potential on it. Still working on it, still a work in progress, pero I'm very happy with how it sits now. Still doing a little bit of things to it, pero overall, Hyundai Accent, it's been a good platform for me. I haven't had any serious or heavy issues or, you know, cost of repairs for it. And it's a 2012, so medyo matagal na rin sa akin yung kotse. But so far, so good. So I don't think I'll ever sell that car, to be honest with you.
Thank you, Sir Jack. Thank you, thank you. So they're rearranging their parking from facing that wall to facing us over here para mas mukha kaming grupo. Kasi kanina mukha lang ano eh. Mga iihi lang gano'n. So yan, yay, magkakarap na.
Mukha ng karmit.
Mukha ng karmit. Kasama ko dito si Sir Mac, yung naka-clean blue na accent na MXRF Gold, tama?
Yes, boss.
Anong next sa Hyundai accent mo?
BBK.
BBK! BBK lang?
Stock mo na FMIC.
Shoes na lang sa presyo ng BBK. Kasama ko dito si Baloney Snaps, Sir Joel. Hello! Bakit this one ang napili mo out of all the accent options available? Gas sedan na new face. 2019 ba? Correct ba?
2019. Quick story, nagkaroon ako ng 2016 na model ng accent. Ganito, like Phaser Jack. Ako, na-inlove ako sa accent matipid. Tapos, parang hindi siya masyadong magasa sa maintenance. Pinasa ko siya sa .com. Siyempre, kailangan ko rin ng bagong sasakyan ulit. So, pinagpili ako VSR pa. Yan po, okay kasi natin nung pagka-release para siyang Elantra sa akin. So, yun lang. Actually, wala pa akong masyadong sa performance. Nag-based on sa issue. Kila, honest on.
Thank you, Sir Baloney.
Thank you, bro.
Pak! Photoshoot sila ngayon. Sir Joel at work. Baloney Snaps, follow his page. So, next naman, pinipicturean ni Sir Joel yung accent. Yay! Kakarating lang. Ganing Potenzas 2550 16.
Ito pa.
Si Sir Mac naman. Tapos na yung photoshoot ni Irvin. Ayan, tumabi. So guys can see, medyo may mga free space na like 1, 2, 3 cars. Like, there were a lot of Verna aspirants and applicants na umalis na rin. And time check na rin naman kasi, ayun o, 12:05. My phone says 12:03. So, ngayong onti na lang kami. Photoshoot na lang. Sir Mac, congrats. Ang dami punta.
Salamat, bro.
So ayan, uwian time. Bye. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Bye, bro.
Bye-bye. Uwian time na, uwian time. Uwian time. So, tapos na yung Verna Quickie Meet dito sa Caltex Mamplasan. Yung mga tropa ko na naka-Hilux galing sa Project Gun. Narinig ba yun? Si Ivan nag-hardcut. Yung mga tropa ko naka-Hilux galing sa Project Gun, pupunta ng Shell Mampla. Doon yung ikot ko, pauwi. So pupunta ako doon. So, I'll see you guys there. Dito na si Ian as featured last vlog. And si Maron right here. Nandiyan sila Dan, si Mark. Hello. Di ko rin alam ano ginagawa namin dito ngayon, pauwi na eh. Diba? 12:50. Okay, bye-bye po. Nakakain na po ako, inantay lang nila makain. Bye-bye. Currently holding the light kasi nahulog. I'm on the way home from Mamplasan, and what a very fun night that was. I was able to see my friends from Ustas after my meet sa Verna PH. After that, daldala nonte, uwi na rin. Nauna na sila, humataw na sila kasi may skyway pa sila. Ako, mas malapit lang naman uwian ko kumpara sila Manila pa eh. So, I'll see you guys on the next vlog. Make sure to let me know, hey, I've reached this part of the video. So, yun lang. Thank you. I'll see you guys next time. Bye-bye.